Here's John again on his daily travels. He's waiting, obviously, for the cars coming the opposite direction, but you can't wait forever. And there reaches a time where you need to show your intentions, and that's what John has just done. That little movement is saying to everyone else, it's my turn. Always be ready to submit in this situation and find another passing place. But the other vehicles, and road users, pedestrians in other words, worked it out. Nice driving as normal, mate. Well, we're here and we've got the footage. Let's see how John does this roundabout. Nice approach speed. He's aware of the black car to his right and can already see his gap. Again, that little creep before he moves helps everyone know what's happening. Use it.